Hi there, it's April. I am back today with a super easy chia seed pudding recipe using kefir, which is drinkable yogurt. Normally when I make chia pudding, I use a combination of milk and Greek yogurt, but this is super easy because you literally just add chia seeds and some flavored powder to kefir, and it makes a great low-carb chia seed pudding. I'm wearing my Cancersaurus Rex sweatshirt today, which is a fundraiser that I did. I participated in for my friend Mateo, who's a cancer survivor like myself. And today I want to talk about the importance of organic fruit. So a lot of people don't buy organic because it's expensive, or they just don't believe in it, or they just don't care. Strawberries are one of those things that you always want to buy organic if you can. It frequently heads the #1 slot in the Dirty Dozen. So if you Google Dirty Dozen, it'll tell you which fruits you should spend a little extra money and buy organic, and also vegetables. And then there's like a Clean 15, which is like you can kind of get away with not buying organic for the Clean 15. But strawberries in particular have some pretty bad pesticides. Carbendazim, bifenthrin, captan, pyrethrinil, and methylbromide, which is probably like the longest running pesticide in use, especially in California on strawberries. So this recipe uses blueberry powder and strawberry powder. And for strawberries, I used organic freeze-dried strawberries, and then I just crushed them in a food processor, but you can also buy organic strawberry powder on Amazon, and I'll link that in the description. This heirloom blueberry powder is also organic, and I got this on King Arthur's website. I always buy thin-skinned fruit organic whenever I can, and usually, even if it's only when it's on sale, like I'm not going to pay $7 for a half a pint of organic raspberries, but with thin-skinned fruit, you really want to buy organic if you can, or just wash them really well. Anyway, this is super simple. It's just going to be a cup of kefir. Trick here is to make the strawberry first. I'm doing this in a red and blue theme. Red berries, blueberries, living in perfect harmony, which is sort of my wish for 2021. You want to add a cup of kefir to your bowl, and then 2 tablespoons of your organic strawberry powder, freeze-dried. Got just about 2 tablespoons left here. 1 tablespoon of powdered erythritol. I watched a video recently with Robert Lustig on sugar, and it made me even more committed to like really keeping sugar out of my diet as much as I possibly can. It was all about sugar's contribution to like metabolic syndrome, and studies that they've done where they say that obesity doesn't actually cause metabolic syndrome, but sugar is like this weird factor in all of these diseases that are attributed to it. So you can also use stevia drops if you don't like powdered erythritol. And then I just add a teaspoon, which is like 2 capfuls of vanilla. I don't add lemon juice to this one because I prefer it. It curdles it a little bit, which is totally tolerable when you have a super lemony, like the lemon chiffon chia pudding that I've made before. But in this one in particular, it's kind of already sour enough with the kefir. And then 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. And that's it. Looks like that. Pour it into your container. Again, side by side, living in perfect harmony. That's what I look forward to. And a little pro tip, if you do the strawberry yogurt first. You can just do the blueberry in the same bowl and it's not gonna taint the color of your yogurt. One more cup of kefir. My last little bit here. And then same thing, 2 tablespoons of the blueberry powder. I like experimenting with like different foods just to see how they change the flavor. I've tried mixing fresh fruit into chia seed pudding and I just did not have a good result. The fruit kind of got like weird and soggy, and it was just not good. So that's why I use the powder in this one. And it's kind of different. The powder doesn't really go bad, so you can just sort of keep it on hand whenever you want to make a quick flavored chia pudding. And then that teaspoon of vanilla. The vanilla kind of balances out the sourness. Tablespoon of chia seeds. And then pour it into your container. And it's literally that easy. I'm gonna pull a Rachel Ray right now and get the chia seed pudding that I made last night out of the fridge. You want to put this in the fridge overnight so that the chia seeds can soak up the moisture. So now we have our chia seed pudding from last night. I have some fresh blueberries and raspberries. I'm going to top my chia seed pudding with. I mean, it's not so much red and blue living in perfect harmony as much as it's like red and purple living in perfect harmony. But I'll take what I can get. And there you have it. A little pudding cup, half and half. And that's an easy, low carb, high fiber breakfast. Thanks.